Welcome back to Reviewsinside TV. Today we're checking out a vacuum cleaner that's a bit different from what you'd typically see in the home cleaning aisle. This is the ApexPower Cordless Ash Vacuum, designed for pellet stoves, fireplaces, barbecue grills, and more. If you've been struggling to clean up fine ash and dust, especially in those hard-to-reach places, this vacuum might just be the tool you need. Let's take a look at what makes it stand out, and whether it's the right fit for your cleaning needs. The ApexPower Cordless Ash Vacuum is a lightweight, portable option designed specifically for cleaning fine ash from wood stoves, pellet stoves, and fireplaces. But it doesn't just stop there. It can also clean barbecue grills and fire pits, making it quite versatile. Powered by DEWALT's 20-volt max batteries, you won't need to worry about a cord getting in the way. If you're already a DEWALT user, you can use your existing batteries, which is a great money saver. The vacuum features dual HEPA filters, a 4-gallon metal tank, a powerful 10,000 PSI suction motor, and a 38-inch hose. It's a tool made to handle both cold and warm ashes, as long as the temperature is below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, and it operates quietly at just 60 dB. This vacuum's combination of power, capacity, and portability aims to make your ash cleaning routine much easier. Let's break down how this vacuum handles its intended tasks. First off, the 10,000 PSI suction power is impressive for a vacuum in this category. It means that you can rely on it to easily pick up fine ash, dust, and wood shavings from a variety of surfaces. Whether you're cleaning the hard-to-reach corners of a wood stove or tackling ashes from your pellet stove, this vacuum does the job without scattering dust back into the air. The suction power is effective on hard floors, but it's especially suited for surfaces with fine debris, which is exactly what you'd expect from an ash vacuum. The 4-gallon capacity is another highlight. It holds a decent amount of ash before needing to be emptied. This is key for users with larger stoves or fire pits where you don't want to keep stopping to empty the bin. The dual HEPA filters are a great addition for anyone sensitive to allergens. The filters are washable, replaceable, and reusable, which helps keep maintenance costs down. By alternating between the filters, you can keep the vacuum running smoothly without downtime. The fact that the filtration system is fully sealed also means you won't have to deal with dust leaks, a common issue with many vacuum cleaners. So, if you're someone who's conscious about air quality or has allergies, this vacuum offers a reliable solution. Now, about the 38-inch metal hose. This is where the ApexPower vacuum really starts to shine in terms of usability. The hose is both heat-resistant and durable, which is essential for dealing with the high temperatures of stove ash. The hose is flexible enough to access tight spaces, and it's equipped with 2 tubes, one flat nozzle for cleaning tight corners and a round nozzle for larger areas. This makes it a great tool for cleaning both your stove and other surfaces like floors and upholstery. The dual tubes also come in handy when cleaning areas with pet hair, ensuring you don't miss any embedded debris. In terms of comfort, the vacuum is equipped with 4 detachable swivel wheels, which make it incredibly easy to maneuver around. Whether you're working in a cramped space or moving it from one room to another, the wheels ensure you won't struggle to move it around. The detachable wheels also make storage a breeze. Simply remove them when you don't need them and save space in your garage or closet. It also has a compact size weighing just 5 pounds, so it's lightweight and easy to carry with the built-in handle. While the vacuum excels in many areas, it's not without its flaws. The main downside might be its reliance on the DEWALT 20-volt batteries. While this can be seen as a pro for existing DEWALT users, it's a limitation for those without DEWALT batteries. Also, while the suction power is solid, it may not be enough to tackle larger debris or heavy-duty tasks like some of the more powerful wet-dry vacuums on the market. In terms of noise, the vacuum operates at a relatively quiet 60 dB, which is a significant plus for anyone who doesn't want to disturb the household while cleaning, but it's not silent. When it comes to value for money, the ApexPower vacuum offers a decent balance of features at its price point. It's built with a durable, corrosion-resistant metal tank and comes with washable, reusable filters. The 38-inch hose is a nice touch, and the portability of the vacuum is a huge plus. Compared to other ash vacuums or small wet-dry vacuums, this one stands out because of its cordless convenience, easy portability, and user-friendly design. However, if you're someone who needs a vacuum for heavy-duty tasks or one that can tackle larger debris, this may not be the best fit. For those looking for a straightforward, lightweight vacuum for handling fine ash and dust, it provides good value for its price. So how does it stack up against other vacuums in the same category? If you're comparing it to other cordless ash vacuums, it holds up pretty well. Many models on the market, especially in the same price range, rely on bulky, corded designs. The ApexPower's cordless operation gives it an edge in terms of portability and convenience, especially for users who already have DEWALT batteries. If you're considering other options in this space, you might find similar models, but few offer the same battery flexibility or lightweight design at this price point. In terms of build quality, the ApexPower vacuum feels sturdy and well constructed. The metal tank is a standout feature as it's resistant to rust and heat. It's a tool designed to handle the demands of everyday use without showing signs of wear and tear. The filter system is well designed, and with proper maintenance, the vacuum should perform well over time. The compact, lightweight nature of the vacuum also means that it's less likely to suffer from the structural issues that come with larger, heavier vacuums. As far as maintenance goes, the vacuum is fairly straightforward. The washable filters are easy to clean, and the detachable design of the wheels makes storage and transport hassle-free. The metal hose, while durable, may require occasional cleaning, especially after extended use with fine ash or dust. The locking clamp for the dustbin ensures that there are no leaks during operation, and the overall design is engineered to reduce dust exposure during cleanup. When it comes to customer support, ApexPower offers 24/7 friendly support and a 1-year warranty, which is a nice touch for peace of mind. While we haven't encountered any issues firsthand, it's always reassuring to know that customer service is available should anything go wrong. In conclusion, the ApexPower Cordless Ash Vacuum for pellet stoves is a solid, practical option for anyone needing to clean fine ash, dust, and debris. It delivers impressive suction power, solid filtration, and great portability, all in a lightweight and user-friendly package. While it's not suited for heavy-duty tasks, it's an excellent choice for those with smaller-scale cleaning needs. If you're a DEWALT user or someone looking for a convenient, portable ash vacuum for your fireplace, wood stove, or barbecue grill, the ApexPower vacuum provides good value for the money. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or if you've already used this vacuum, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews from Reviews Inside TV. Goodbye till next time. Happy cleaning.